Today we will learn different types of count functions. Today we will learn how count function, countif function, counter function and count blank function works in Excel. Here we have some data of texts, numbers and some blank cells. Let's see how count function works in Excel. Type equal sign then count function and start bracket and select the range of data from which we need the result. Then close bracket and press enter. Here is the result. It shows 7 because count function counts cells that contain only numeric values. It doesn't count any blank cells or cells that contain texts. Let's see how countif function works in Excel. Type equal sign then countif function and start bracket and select the range of data from which we need the result. We take the same cell range as count function. Then type the criteria you want. Here we take greater than 1000. That means I want to know how many numbers in that cell range are greater than 1000. Then close bracket and press enter. Here it shows result as 4. That means there are 4 numbers which is greater than 1000. But in count function we didn't give any criteria, so that shown the result 7 within the same range given in countif function. Now let's see how counter function works in Excel. Type equal sign then counter function and start bracket and select the range of data from which we need the result. Here we take the same cell range as count function and countif function. But here we don't need to type any criteria. Then close bracket and press enter. You can see that we have taken the same cell range in count function and countif function. But the result shown different in every function. Here the result shown 20. Because counter function counts all the cells that contains a value. That may be text, number or any symbol. But it doesn't count any blank cells. Now we will learn how count blank function works in Excel. Type equal sign then count blank function and start bracket and select the range of data from which we need the result. Here we take the same cell range as other count functions. Here also we don't need to type any criteria. Then close bracket and press enter. Here it shows the result 4. Because there are only 4 cells that doesn't contain any value. It means count blank function counts only cells that doesn't contain any type of values. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.